Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a landing page for your website on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, a landing page is a page which pretty much serves as your home page in sort of an intermediary period when you have updates planned or before your site is finished, so that people get into that page first and that they can't navigate anywhere else pretty much. Now, I'll show you guys how to make a landing page right now, and for that we're first going to need to go into the pages section. And before we do anything, we're going to make a new page under the not linked section, and we're just going to click on that, create a blank page, and name that page whatever you want. I'll just name it, well, landing page. Click enter, and now we have us a blank page. Now you can click this gear right next to it if you want to show the header and footer. You can just disable it here. So if I click save, in the preview, as you can see, there is no header and no footer. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click on edit, and we're going to add a blank section to this page. And let's say we just add a block which shows text. Let's make it a bit bigger so that it covers pretty much the entire page. And I'm going to add some text, which is basically, this is a landing page. You can edit this however you want. You can make it literally look like whatever you want, customize it to your own content. And once you're done with that, you can just click save. Now, as you can see, this page is now a landing page, and we can just exit out of it. And we're going to put it here under the main navigation. And to prevent people from being able to navigate to anything else, as you can see, the header and footer are gone, so people can't really navigate to other pages. But you can very easily just drag all the other pages from the main navigation if you don't want them to be there. However, there is no need since we have disabled the header. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click the gear icon next to it again, and we're going to go into navigation again, and rather not there but into the general, and we're going to click set as home page. Once you get this pop-up, just click confirm, and now this page is the home page of my site, and this is where people will land, thus the name landing page, when they actually click on the link and enter the site. And once that's done, that's pretty much it. Now we have a rudimentary landing page. As I've mentioned previously, you can set up whatever you want. You can set up some buttons, you can set up more text, some images, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.